Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the SWF tab in Explainer 4.0. In two previous videos, I showed you how to add an animated character and how to add scene templates to your projects, so I would encourage you to watch these tutorials. So I've got a project open here with an animated character which I showed you in a previous video. In the SWF tab, we have several customization options. At the top, these two buttons allow you to flip the character horizontally and vertically, like so. The Change Position button opens the canvas to allow you to change the position of the animated character. Let me close the canvas. In this section, Play for Frames, it displays the number of frames for the specific SWF. So if I preview the animation, you can see that it is made up of a wave that lasts for 75 frames or 3 seconds. So if I increase the frames to 150 using the plus button, and if I preview the animation, you'll see that the animated character waves twice. So essentially, you can use this to loop the animation. Similarly, if I drop the frames to 1, and if you do a quick preview, you'll see that there is no animation. Let me set it back to the original 75 frames. This controls the speed of the animation. So for example, if I were to set it to 2 and do a quick preview, you'll see that the wave is very fast. Similarly, if I drop this down to 0.5 and do a quick preview, you'll see that the wave is very slow now. Let me set it back to the original 1. In this section, we can pause animations in the SWF character. So let me show you how it works. I'll check this box, Pause at Frame, and I've set it to pause at frame 24 and pause it for 48 frames. Essentially what I've done here is at the 1 second mark, I've paused the wave for 2 seconds. So if I go back and replay the animation, you'll see that the wave stops for 2 seconds and then resumes. Similarly, you can add additional pause frames depending on the type of SWF you're using. Down below, the transparency slider allows you to control the transparency of the animated character. And finally, this checkbox for pause/play nested animations is used to control animations within animations, also known as nested animations, and these are for specifically designed SWFs. Now let me briefly show you how the SWF tab works on Premade Templates or scene templates. This is a scene template that we use in another video. So if I wanted to apply a pause frame exactly at this point in the template, like right here, I can use the same approach I showed you earlier with the animated character. So I've already set the pause frames here. And what I'm going to do is, around the 4 second mark, I pause the scene for 3 seconds. So if I go back and we do a preview of the scene, you'll notice that around the 4 second mark, the scene will pause for 3 seconds and then resume again. Well, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next video.